In the heart of Penang Island, a simple yet ingenious solution is transforming an urban farm's pest problem. It's a sticky situation, but in a good way. Growing your own vegetables in a tropical climate can be a gardener's nightmare. Tiny invaders like aphids, mealybugs, and caterpillars thrive in the warmth, leaving many home growers frustrated despite their pest control efforts. But, a clever hack has emerged at a farm in Air Itam, Penang, and it's turning heads. Here's the twist: yellow-painted drinking bottles, coated with sticky pesticides, are the heroes of this story. These bottles, hanging above the vegetable rows, are a low-cost, eco-friendly defense system. As bugs are drawn to the moving bottles, they become trapped, ensuring the vegetables below remain pest-free. It's a creative solution that's both effective and kind to the environment. This innovative method has been adopted at a farm that was once an empty plot. For Habibah Mat, the 72-year-old caretaker, pest control is an ongoing battle. She explains, heavy pesticides, like those used in commercial farms, are not an option. We've tried solar lamps, mirrors, and oil traps, but with limited success. The secret, she reveals, lies in a simple technique: coating the bottles with a sticky layer of insecticide from the outside works wonders. These insecticides are affordable and gentle on the vegetables. Habibah, also a community leader, notes that flying pests are the primary concern, as snails and worms are less of an issue. With the help of dedicated volunteers, they cultivate a variety of vegetables and herbs. Habibah's commitment is evident, as she visits the farm twice daily, finding solace in tending to the plants. The farm's produce is sold to support underprivileged groups, with proceeds going towards maintenance. As the farm celebrates its 10th anniversary, it's set to expand with a greenhouse. Local politician Joseph Ng, who helped establish the farm, applauds the volunteers' dedication, stating, "This farm embodies community spirit." It's an inspiration for other urban farms, attracting visitors eager to learn. But here's where it gets controversial: is this pest control method truly eco-friendly? While it's effective, what are the long-term environmental implications? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore the delicate balance between sustainable farming and pest management.